What's going on, everybody? My name is Miss McCarthy, and I am the creator of bestmathcourse.com. And today we're going to walk through the third grade unit for adding and subtracting multi-digit numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look at the course. So the website that you want to start out with each time is bestmathcourse.com/units. You can find that website located at the top of this video. So here's that landing page for you. It lets you know about the Florida math units. Yes, these units are targeted specifically to address Florida's best standards for math. You can read this at your own convenience, but to get to your unit, you need to say which grade would you like to explore. We're going to go with third grade today. Okay, and we're going to go into the courses. I'm scrolling down. I see a place value course that we've already gone over, and now we have the adding and subtracting multi-digit numbers course. Let me zoom in so you can see. The skills to master inside this course is to understand what's happening when we add or subtract, how to estimate the sums and differences to make sure that our answers make sense, lining up our digits correctly, mastering regrouping. Did you know that there are 3 types of subtraction scenarios? We'll go over those inside of this course. And also a major one is deciding whether a word problem, does it call for adding or subtracting, and eventually multiplying or dividing, okay? Inside this course, I will show you 3 video lessons with easy to follow strategies. There are 6 practice pages with answer keys, 1 math mission task, 2 math misconception mystery episodes, 3 quizzes to check for your understanding, and 16 bonus video lessons to really practice mastering addition and subtraction. So let's take a peek inside. So here's the screen for the course. After you've signed up, you're going to go ahead and click Start Course. For these courses, I've designed them so that way you just have to log in and start at the top and work your way down, okay? So you'll notice here it says Welcome, Start Here. I definitely suggest that you go through these 4 sections right here. I'm so glad that you're here, where I get to welcome you, how to work through this course, where you can go to print all the pages that you need, and then questions on how to contact me. And then you'll notice right away we go into our first topic, adding multi-digit numbers. Then we've got a quiz, followed by topic 2, subtract multi-digit numbers, followed by a quiz. And then topic 3 is real world problems with addition and subtraction, followed by a quiz. You'll see 3 more bonus topics here, one for more addition practice, one for subtraction practice, and one for adding and subtracting, maybe where we're putting them together using inverse operations. All right, so let's go ahead and open up topic 1. You'll notice for this topic, we have 2 math songs that connect. And then the video icon right here represents a video lesson. This is your video lesson. This is your printable guide that you can print each day as you go, or you can go to the print all the pages that you need for this course and have them all ready to go. All you got to do is make sure you've got a pencil, have your student guide, and just press play and record the notes that I do in the lessons. All right, so if we pop into this video, you can see we are marking up all over this student guide. We're talking about what addition is, modeling it with drawings to make sense of what it is. That way it's easier to recognize when we're in word problems, which we get to later in the lesson. Okay, lots of highlighting, lots of underlining, lots of pictures, showing our work, estimating. There's so much going into these lessons here. And then you'll notice that we have 2 pencil icons. These are your practice pages, the follow-up lessons from the video. So you would complete those. We've got our printable here. You've got your answer key that you can check. And for each page of the lesson that you open up, you just click complete when you're ready and it'll track it up here for you to show you your progress. Then we have a math misconception mystery episode. These are really fun because what you do is you have your detective report. That's this right here. You can print that. And then you just simply click play and I will guide you through the whole fun mission where your child gets to become the detective. So what they'll do first is solve this problem on their own. And then they will watch as 4 characters, which are just me dressed up in silly costumes with silly accents. They'll watch as these 4 characters solve that same problem. They'll have to listen carefully and watch carefully to see who is making mistakes, which 3 characters are making mistakes and only 1 is correct. Check with the answer key right there and then complete when you're ready. And that will take you through topic 1, which is adding multi-digit numbers. To make sure your child understands, they can take the quiz. It's just 5 questions. Right there, 5 questions. to make sure that they've got it. After topic 1, we have topic 2, which is subtracting multi-digit numbers. We have 2 math music videos. We also have 2 video lessons, and each video lesson is followed by a practice activity, and then another math misconception mystery episode. After they work through all of the subtraction, they'll take the quiz for topic 2 to make sure that they understand it. And then we'll get into topic 3, which is real world problems with adding and subtracting. We have 2 music videos, we have 2 follow-up activities, and we have a math mission here. Let's take a look at the math mission since that's a new element to this course. So this is where you would print this math mission and you're putting everything that you've learned together to complete this task. Let's see, we've got a chart and we're creating an addition word problem, then solving it, and then creating a subtraction word problem using the chart and solving it. So it's taking their learning up a notch. When they can check their work here and click to proceed, complete and proceed. After the topic 3 unit, we would go to the topic 3 quiz. Here's a little showcase of the quiz where we have some more, it's more focused on the word problem element there. Okay, and then going into topic 4, 5, and 6, notice there are no quizzes for these. They're just more addition problems, more subtraction practice, more adding and subtracting. So let me just open up topic 4 so you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 video lessons with adding and regrouping. So you just simply print the guide, you click play, and have your child go. Now these videos are from a series that I created called McCarthy Math 155, and this is kind of like a gradual release where we'll do 1 or 2 together, and I'll let your child know when to press pause to solve the next one on their own, and then press play to check it. So we're starting together and gradually handing over the responsibility to them in these orange McCarthy Math 155 videos. So you have 5 practices there for adding. And of course, we need practice with subtracting. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can show you what one of them looks like. You can see here we're subtracting with regrouping. Look across zeros, which students tend to struggle with. We're starting with horizontal, having them lined up horizontally, and then practicing to place our digits vertically in the correct position. And again, you just click play and I'll let you know, is this a problem that we're doing together, or do I want you to pause the video and try it on your own? That's topic 5, subtraction practice. And then finally, I don't know if you can see that, but we have topic 6, which is more adding and subtracting. So let me show you what I mean by that. So for this kind of problem, we have missing values here. So we need to understand that addition and subtraction are inverse operations here, and that we can use one to help us solve the other. So for this one, yes, it says addition, but we're trying to find the missing addend here. One way to do that would be to subtract 1,000 minus 343 to figure out what that is. So that's what we work on in these episodes. 1, 2, 3 practices with missing values, just like that. And then we have the which operation videos, which are more aligned with word problems. So we'll read the word problem together. We will model using a quick picture, and then finally solve it using mathematics to have it all make sense. Also, there's going to be a mix of adding and subtracting with these which operation videos. So we'll get to talk about, are we joining the totals together? That would be addition. Or do we know the total and we're separating a part of it? Or are we comparing values to see how much more one option has than the other? All right, so there's so much here. And if you were to hire me as a tutor, as your personal tutor to help you teach everything that's in here, it would cost you between $300 to $600, but this course is only $20. It contains about 2 weeks to even 2 months worth of content, depending how much practice your child needs with this skill. Yeah, the entire course is less than 1 session that it would cost for private tutoring. So that is pretty awesome. So I just wanted to show you the course. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. And yeah, I hope to see you inside the course.